for joining me. So I've been checking out a good number of Commodore 64s. And as a result, I have found some that I've been able to fix, but not many. And I have been assembling a collection of chips. So, right at this moment, I'm going to check and test one of the kernels, according to what I looked up online, which is 901.226. So, I know that one works. But I have a bunch here. Some of them came out of other machines. Some of them came off the, there we go, that's good, the large collection of chips that I got with a large collection of things. So far, so good. But one of these, see, some of these, the printing is not very, there's not a lot of contrast. So it was one of these chips that earlier on, when I was testing, this just doesn't feel right. It doesn't feel right? Slow down. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I think it's funny that this monitor just doesn't look better to me. But things are working. So anyway, I did accidentally put this ROM chip into the wrong spot, and certainly it didn't look right. Now here's an interesting one. It has like a red marker or red highlighter on the front of it, or on the top of it. I wonder if that might mean that it's not working. Nope. That's not what that means. Alright. Oh, penny. Oh, did I doof that? Nope. I did not doof that. Now, Penny, there's a lot of chips up here. I really, it's nice to see you. Yes, I see you. It is nice to see you. Very nice indeed. Hi. Yep. Okay, that's working. You know what? Maybe I will reach over here and go 1, 2, 1, 2. And look. Funny, it looks much better up there. Hello, Penny. Hi, how you doing? Yeah, just give me a second. I'm switching chips here. Okay, now this one. Okay, I gotta do something because I can tell that whole side of the chip was way too far out. Way too far. And if I tried to squeeze that in, it would not have lined up properly. And it could have been terrible. It might still be terrible. That's not feeling like it wants to go. Hi, Penny. Just a moment. Let me just get this chip in. Penny, if you want to come up the back side of the table, we should be able to talk. Penny, why don't you come up the other side of the table? Go around and get another chair. Oh, looky there. Alright. We're doing fine. I think we're just down to 3 left. Let's see. The very end pin was not going in. It wasn't horrible. That's better. Yep, that's the Commodore 64. Alright. I think 2 to go. There's a pin that looks a little off. But they appear to be okay. And that's pretty consistent. Once again, as I've said, not recently, but from time to time, if you are not comfortable taking chips out, or anything else that you see me do, don't do it. Let somebody else do it for you. Don't do it. Don't do it. Alright. That's good. I'm just looking around here to see if there's anything else of these chips. To be checked. And I don't see any. I see some other things here. What's that? Well, I got a lot. It's funny, when there's 2 of everything, or 2 of one chip in a machine, it really adds up. Well, that's good. We tested a bunch of the Kernal 901, 226 chips, and they all perform. In the bag, there are others that are dead. There are. But this bunch is okay. It is. So, as I said, be careful. I do like to use a screwdriver with some stiffness to it, because you need to be gentle but firm when taking chips out. Not too firm, not too gentle. I think I will grab another Commodore 64 and investigate, I think. So, thank you for being here. It is greatly appreciated. Questions and comments are always welcome. Bye for now.